waiting for them to be old enough to make their journey over to Europe, and we thought we'd take them out here and introduce them to the pool today. And so this is Hershey, and it's easy to say that he loves the pool. Right, Hershey? There's Hershey again, but there's Indy. Hey, Indy. He loves the bones. This is little Halo. She's a cuddler. Right there, Halo. And then we have Henny. Henny. Come here, buddy. Hey, honey. There he is. What do you think she's going to think of it, Maddie? Halo says it's a bit cold, but... And then we got the crew over here. We have Hannah and Haley right here, these two girls. This one and that one. And then we have little Iris and Hart back there. How do you remember what the other one's name was? And then we have little Carrie here. They're all chewing on bones. What are you doing? Hi, Hart. Hi, Hart. Hi, Iris. So these little guys will make their journey. They start next Monday, I think. Is the plan. Are you guys going to come play in the pool? Huh? Want to come play in the pool? Come on. Want to come play in the pool, Hart? You like it, don't you, Hershey? Look at what we got. Look what we got. Look at it. Want to play in it? Huh? Come on, you can get in. You guys can get in. You just want to give me kisses, huh? That's all? You don't want to get in the pool? Get in the pool. Oh, she says, nope, nope. You can get in there. There you go. There you go. See? She says, no problem. I like the pool. Right, bud? Heart's not sure, Maddie. I think I'd rather play with the hose. We do have three new litters, and we have them posted on our website. If you're interested in checking them out, it's www.maineaimranchdogs.com. And little Iris tried it. And we haven't got the last litter posted exactly today. We are hoping to take pictures of them and get them up here in the next couple days. But if you're interested in finding out more about them, you can visit our website. I think I did do live videos on this page though last week, so you can check them out there also. It's a beautiful day to just play outside, isn't it, guys? Huh? Not too hot. These two are going to the same place. She just threw that on you. You didn't even pay attention. Like, where'd it go? Where'd it go? You gotta be sneaky like her. What do you think? Think I'll try the pool? We did take a video with my phone here earlier, and we're going to post it to YouTube in a little bit. But this is the crew headed to Europe. So I think it'll be really fun to see their new owners get them, and playful. Look at her, Carrie. Like, what is this thing? how they're doing and how much fun they are playing, and introduce them to the pool and enjoying this beautiful day. Little Hemi. I don't think she's been in the pool yet. She's definitely not scared of it. We could try it. Heart, she's not sure. Scary, she's like, maybe. I want this. Little bubbles. What do you think? Huh? That's pretty good. Baby? Yeah, that's enough. Heart's not sure yet. Like, I'm not sure about that pool. Try to see if Hemi will go in. You liked it, didn't you, huh, Taylor? Yeah, you liked it. What are you doing? Oh, there's so much fun at this age. Oh, how'd you do? Jumped in and jumped out? Alright, well, like I said, these guys are all headed to Europe, so they found new homes, but we do have 3 other litters that were just born, and so if you are interested in finding out more information about the new litters, you can contact us or visit our website, www.puppies.com.